Sino dito nagtutoothbrush? Come on. Tapos, guys, okay. What we do here is a practice. Okay? What we do here is really important. Sino dito yung gustong mag-gym pero hindi makakapag-gym? It's because iniisip mo lang hindi mo magawa. Nagigets? There's a miscommunication between your mind and your body. Isip ka na isip, yung katawan mo nasa kama. And it takes a lot of your energy. Ang tawag po doon ay patterns. So when I ask you a question, alam mo yung sagot, pero yung katawan mo, isa lang ibig sabihin niyan, yung katawan mo hindi nasunod sa utak mo. Are you with me? So what we do here is a practice. You have to immerse yourself. I will ask you like really silly basic questions for you to know na, hindi kita inuuto. It's you, it's me fixing your mental wiring. Kasi ultimong basic information, something that you already know, nahihirapan kang gawin. Are you with me still? Diba? Para pag sinabi ko sa'yo, pag sinuntok ka, umilag ka, try natin. Hindi ka umilag, sige, isa pa. Hihintayin mo pang masaktan ka eh.